I have been going through it trying to get these live sessions to y'all these past few times. And if you've been on the live, you already know it has just been mayhem. Screen sharing just deciding not to work, audio just cutting out randomly, the platform kicking me off. And man, right when I was about to give up, it just popped in my spirit. And I'm like, you know what? This sounds brilliant to me. I decided to call up my boy Roland. Roland, I do have something to run by you, and it's kind of crazy. Do you think that Smart Credit would be down with possibly like going on tour?
I think that's a cool idea.
I'm just actually going to pop up at the headquarters and, see what the vibe is, honestly.
If you want to come out here, I'm sure that we'd love to hear from you.
Okay, well, I just wanted to make sure it was okay if he has some, free time in his schedule. If not, oh well, don't tell him, okay? But I'll call you when I land. Misha!
Yeah.
I need you to book me a flight to Cali.
Today?
Yeah, today. And I'm gonna go pack, okay? I just landed. I'm in LA. David.
Hey.
Hi. Thank you so much for
Of course. Glad you're here.
It is more important for them to get it, for them to understand. However we get there, I'm willing to invest the time to get them there. Hey, Roland.
So, how did your meeting go with David?
It went so much better than I expected. Like, so good.
Okay, and can you tell me where we're going?
I cannot tell you yet.
Oh.
All right, welcome everyone. I'm very pleased to announce the Smart Credit City Tour with the amazing and wonderful Shonda Martin.
Yes,
Welcome. This is a big deal.
It's a huge deal. 2026 is going to be good.
It's gonna be a good one.